Hello dear students, this is Akshay and welcome back to another session of Tinkercad lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to connect the piezo buzzer to Arduino Uno so that we can generate the various different tones and we use that tone in our projects as some kind of music or as a sound to make project much more interesting. So here you can see previous circuits. So to make a new circuit, click on create new circuit, then just list out and take out the required components, just drag and drop from that tab pop-up menu. Okay, first we will click here and type Arduino, take Arduino, drag and drop here. Okay, then next what we want, if you scroll down here you can see a buzzer. Let me check piezo buzzer. Okay, what is a piezo buzzer? Piezo buzzer are very easy to understand. Piezo buzzer is very easy to understand. If you look at the piezo buzzer, it has two legs. If you click there on the one leg, you can see that is a positive and next one is a negative. Next one is a negative. So what to do? Positive you have to attach to PWM pins. Here we have PWM pins. Pin number 1, pin number 3, pin number 5, pin number 6, pin number 9, 10, 11, not 1, sorry, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, total 5 PWM pins. PWM means all pulse width modulation, that is sending signal frequency in square waves. Okay, that I will explain you in detail. Okay, then just click on this positive and attach any pin, means pin 3, 5, 6, 10 or 11. So here I am attaching to pin number 11. Then negative you have to attach to ground pin of Arduino. Always remember, negative pin you have to attach to the ground pin of Arduino. So we have to code now. Positive pin of buzzer we have connected to pin number 11 and negative we connected to the ground. Now in code function we have to go, just select here text, select here text, say continue. In setup function, first we will delete all this from loop bar. Okay, in setup function also no need of anything, so we are deleting that line. So in the setup function no need to write anything in this project. In loop function we should use a function called a tone. We should use a function called a tone. So write there tone. Tone is a basically buzzing Arduino function which takes a two parameters. So just in bracket, first parameter is pin number, to which pin you have attached the positive pin of buzzer. That pin you have to mention here in first parameter. So here I am mentioning a pin number 11. Okay, then comma, in second part you have to mention a frequency. For clear sound you can use frequency from 200 to 1000. Okay, so here I am using there 450 as a frequency. Then colon, then you just give a delay as a wait for 500, that is in milliseconds. Again one function is there to stop that sound, to turn off that sound. So what to use? No tone. Use no tone means for 500 milliseconds that will turn on, buzzer will make sound, and again for 500 milliseconds buzzer will not make a sound, buzzer will not make sound for another 500 milliseconds. So in that bracket only you have to no tone, mention a pin number. Okay, again use a delay, use 500 milliseconds. Okay, and just click on simulation, start simulation. You can see the result now. Just wait a minute, that is showing somehow we forgot here to give a colon, to give a semicolon, and then again click on start simulation. You can see now. Here we will change the delay now. Here I will take 1000, frequency, 1000 frequency, and delay we will make a 200 and 200. Okay, and again click on start simulation. We are giving frequency as a 1000. What is the frequency? Frequency is nothing but a generating square wave on the pin number 11. Okay, frequency is always will be in hertz. Then give delay after this frequency. Okay, so what we will do, we will copy paste this same 4 lines 3-4 times, and we will change the delay and frequencies. Here I will take a frequency as a 800, delay as a 300, delay as a 500. Again do the same, again give delay here as a 1200, here delay as a 500, delay as a 300. Again same, repeat, copy paste. I am just doing copy paste, control C control V you can do. Here we are using a delay 100, sorry, frequency as 100, then delay 700, again delay 300. We are generating different tones. This will generate different tone, this will generate different tone. That 4 tones will be sound differently. Okay, so click on start simulation and you can listen now the sound. Like this we can generate different tones according to our requirement for our project. Thank you.